9:15 a.m. market open. It's a gap down opening, but still it's a positive market. Market was going upper side direction, continuous bullish direction. After 20 minutes of market open, after 9:35, upper side breakout, buy call, green color candle open. Like this daily, automatically it will give calls like a signal in this chart. On daily basis, on a standard, we are analyzing in Bank Nifty future 1 minute chart. Today it's 4th March market. We are watching Tuesday market. After 20 minutes of market open, this buy call came. Buy call, buy signal, green color candle open. So whenever the breakout happen, whenever the market trend changes, you will get calls like a signal. Through this calls signal, you can do your intraday trading. Manual trading, auto trading, both are possible. For plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Today the buy call came at buy at 48,490. That straight white line from green candle is the entry line. Above line are target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So 490 is the entry point. 611 is the first target. It's more than 120 point first target range. After 10 o'clock, good bullish momentum. It successfully break out the first target range. From opening itself, from 9:15 a.m., market was in bullish momentum. Market was going up and down like a volatile. After 9:35, upper side breakout and it break out the target. Like this, today buy call came after 9:35. After 10 o'clock, it break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.